I woke up this morning, I was just craving a creamy cappuccino. So I went to Times. I just love this place right by the beach. You can sit there, watch all the surfers go out in the morning. Such a beautiful place, and the coffee is good, food is good. I would totally recommend if you're going to Bali. But I was thinking it is time for a little story time of why I'm here in Bali alone and what I'm doing with my life right now. So basically 1.5 years ago, I quit my job, I quit my apartment, quit the lease on my apartment, I packed all my things. I sold most of my things actually and gave away a lot, and I was left with one suitcase, and I moved across the world to be with the person that I thought was going to be my forever person. But life happens, and not all the time things turn out the way we want them to be. So here we are. I'm alone again at the age of 36, and I'm starting my new life in Bali and just figuring everything out as I go. And the truth is, things are a little bit overwhelming. I don't know exactly where I want to live, exactly where I want to be. And if you ask me, I don't really have all the answers yet. But this journey of me sharing this is kind of just taking you with me on this journey and just figuring it out together and just see where it takes me. Because you can't really plan anything, and I'm trying to attach from the outcome of my life more, because I've been so focused on trying to control everything in my life and how things are supposed to be, how things are supposed to go. So now I'm just trying to release some of that, actually. I did move for love, and I do not regret that, because I'm such a lover girl. I love love, and I think that if you find your person, it is worth doing some changes to see if things can work out. And yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm here alone, so it didn't work out, but I am so thankful that I got to experience a love again. And also it's something about just going for it, because otherwise you never know. You can't be so afraid of trying. So I will always be a hopeless romantic, and I would move for love again at any point. So I'm not afraid of that. But yeah, obviously it didn't work out, so I'm here alone. And when I was in the middle of heartbreak and all what comes with that, I was like, should I go back to Europe or should I go somewhere new? And I did not feel ready to go back to Europe yet. And I always wanted to go to Bali, but there's a lot of things that I've been afraid of doing. And one of them was going here alone. And that's exactly why I did it. Everything just felt unfamiliar, all the sounds. I remember walking out and there were bikes everywhere. And everything was just a lot to handle at that point in time. But something in me was just you need to stay here and you will figure it out. And I'm so glad that I did. I'm almost 5 months in now, and I'm just feeling so at home. I feel so safe here. All the sounds are suddenly calming to me in a weird way. And I'm just so glad that I actually stayed, because this journey of being here in Bali has been a great one. I mean, of course, it's been ups and downs, and living alone in a foreign country, starting life over, it's not only easy, but I'm really glad that I actually did it.
You happy to see me? Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Should we go for the night show tonight?
Hello. I'm just making a little grocery list. I just finished my grocery shopping, which was nice to get out of the way. And today I'm just been running a lot of errands. Yeah, just delivering clothes to the cleaner, taking out cash for rent, going to the market, grocery shopping, all that kind of stuff, which is nice to get out of the way because I'm going to Uluwatu in a couple of days. I feel like this is kind of like a safe place to post. I feel like this is the place where I can like be my authentic self and just like share my life in a more unfiltered way than the other like platform like Instagram and so yeah, I'm just loving this YouTube community. And I did not expect being alone again at the age of 36, but here we are trying to figure out what I want to do, where I want to live. Like my old job was not giving me the same amount of pleasure as I did in the past. So I just need to figure out my new path. And honestly, I don't have all the answers yet. I'm just figuring it out as I go, connecting with myself here in Bali and just like see where the journey takes me. And these little Bali vlogs would just be my process of going through all of that and just taking you guys with me. So I don't have all the answers yet. I just trying to trust that everything do happen in the perfect timing and everything will turn out great in the end. So if you are going through a lot right now and things are new and you're figuring life out again, just remember that life has to fall apart in order for it to fall back into place. And you're not alone. I'm here with you. And let's just go through this journey together.